Good morning. My name is E. Suvarnanjali, Assistant Professor in Commerce Department, PB Siddhartha College of Arts and Science, Vijayawada. Today I am going to explain about meaning of cash book and how many types of cash book. Okay. So first of all, meaning of cash book. Cash book is the book of primary entry or book of original entry to record all the cash transactions of a business firm. Cash transactions of a business include cash receipts as well as cash payments. Generally, in most of the business firms, the number of transactions related to the cash is a large. Hence, it is necessary to keep separate book that is called subsidiary book for recording the cash receipts and as well as cash payments. At the same time, cash book records all cash receipts and all cash payments and gives the balance of cash in the business unit at any time. And the cash book plays a dual role, that is, one is a journal as well as ledger. And cash book is a one kind of subsidiary books. Actually, subsidiary books are divided into 8 categories: purchase book, purchase return, sales book, sales return, bills payable, bills receivable, cash book, and journal proper. So, cash book is also one kind of subsidiary book. And the most importance of cash book is it is a very popular subsidiary book and maintained by all organization, irrespective of their nature, as well as big or small, and profit or not. For because cash book is very most important book for each and every organization. At the same time, how many types of cash books? There are 4 categories of cash book. One is single column cash book. Types of cash book. First one, single column, nothing but simple column cash book. It is also known as simple column cash book, simple cash book. Second one is 2 column cash book. Third one, 3 column, nothing but triple column cash book. And fourth one is petty cash book. Okay. First, single column cash book. Meaning of single column and pro forma for single column cash book and how to enter the transactions in a single column cash book. First of all, single column cash book is this single column cash book means which record all cash transactions of the business in a chronological order. That means this cash book contains only one amount column on each side. Each side means it consists of 2 sides like debit side and credit side. So this cash book contains only one amount column on each side, debit side and as well as credit side. Cash receipts are to be debited and cash payments are to be credited. Nothing but all the cash receipt transactions are entered in debit side of the cash book and all the cash payments are to be entered in credit side of the cash book. Okay, am I clear? Once again, I repeat, cash receipts are to be debited and cash payments are to be credited. Means cash receipts are to be entered in debit side of the cash book and cash payments are to be entered in credit side of the cash book. So, required pro forma for simple column cash book. Okay, first one, date, particulars, receipts of particulars, all cash receipts, LF, ledger folio, and amount rupees. A single column, cash book from debit side and credit side. Again, same columns from credit side, date, particulars. Particulars means nothing but transactions are related to the cash payments, ledger folio, again amount column. Okay, this is the required pro forma for single column or simple cash book. So how to enter the transactions in a single column cash book? So first, enter the following transactions in the cash book. First transaction, received from Arun. Received from Arun means cash received from Arun. That is receipt transaction. So receipt transactions are entered in, already we know, entered in debit side of the cash book. So from receipt side to enter to Arun in a amount column to enter the rupees 1000. And the second one is paid Chauhan. That means cash paid to Chauhan. So cash paid to Chauhan, that is payment transaction. Now it is entered in credit side of the cash book. Nothing but payment side of the cash book by Chauhan. Okay, that's it. And the second cash book is two column cash book. Two column cash book. So two column cash book means trade discount and cash discounts. So in this cash book, there are two columns for amount on each side of the cash book. One is for cash or bank and the another one is discount column. Two column cash book, one column represents cash or bank and the second column is discount. In fact, this cash book is an extension of simple cash book. In double column cash book, an additional column is provided for discount. An additional column is provided for discount, like see, discount column is required. Okay, and next one. And the credit side also discount received column is provided along with the cash column. Credit side also discount column along with the cash column. Okay, this cash book is also called as double column or two column cash book. So how to enter the transactions in a double column cash book? First example, started a business with cash. That is, business commenced with cash. That is capital transaction. Receipt nature. So to enter receipt side, to capital rupees 10,000 receipt transaction. And next one, paid into bank. That is payment transaction to enter payment side. And third one, most important, received 6,000 rupees from Kiran and allowed discount rupees 20. So discount, he clearly mentioned discount. Received 6,000, that is receipt nature. Received from Kiran 6,000 and allowed discount rupees 20. So how to enter this transaction in a double column cash book? So this is related to the receipt transaction. Come to receipt side to Kiran. Okay. In a cash column, how much of the amount received from Kiran and discount. Cash received from Kiran rupees 6,000 and so I am in a cash column to enter 6,000 rupees and discount column to enter 20,000. That's it. Okay. And the another book, that is third book, most important book in a cash book out of 4 types of cash book, that is triple column cash book. So first of all, what do you mean by triple column cash book and how to prepare triple column cash book? Okay. And what are the important aspects in a triple column cash book? So please listen. The cash book which contains 3 columns for amount on the both sides in addition to date, particulars LF column is said as triple column cash book or cash book with bank and discount column. Actually, it contains three columns for amount on both debit and credit side. The three columns are, one is cash column, second one is bank column, third one is discount column. Once again, I repeat, required three columns in triple column cash book. One is cash column, second one is bank column, third one is discount column. The most importance of triple column cash book is it helps to record cash receipts and cash payments, okay, through checks also. It is useful to record cash payments and also payments by checks, both the receipts and the payment transactions along with the check transactions also, nothing but. And it helps to record large number of cash and bank transactions of different nature, as well as it is also useful for to record contra entries, one of the most important item, contra entry. In a triple column, the most important aspect is it is also useful for to record contra entry. So what do you mean by contra entry, and how to enter a contra entry transactions? Okay. Contra entry transactions means like when amount is deposited in a bank or deposited in a bank or cash withdrawn from bank, either cash deposited or cash withdrawn from bank, deposited or withdrawn, then contra entry may be erased. Okay. There are two situations required for contra entry making. One is cash deposited into bank and the another one is cash withdrawn from bank. Okay. So this is the pro forma for triple column cash book. Three columns, most important. Please observe. Date, particulars, ledger folio, common for all cash books, like simple column, double column, and triple column. So observe the three columns. First column is discount, cash. Second column, third column is bank. Again, the same columns are repeated in a credit side. Date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, discount, cash, and bank. Okay. And the last cash book is petty cash book. The cash book which is maintained to record all small expenses, nothing but all petty expenses, okay, to be recorded in petty cash book. In each and every organization, a large number of small payments, such as examples of small payments, such as postage, cartage, telegram, traveling expenses, stationery, and other expenses are incurred. So to record all such payments of repetitive nature, so a separate cash book is required, that is called petty cash book. Okay. The need of cash book is in an organization where bank transactions are taking place, checks are not accepted to pay the small payments like 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees, 50 rupees, cottage charge 40, telephone charges 50, stationery charges 20 rupees. Checks are not accepted to pay the small payments. And if all these small payments are recorded in main cash book, so it become very bulky. So it is essential to maintain a petty cash book and to record the small payments. That is the need for petty cash book. Thank you.